Remember the veil that had the squishy stuff in the balm? That's for your lips medication. I'm gonna put some more on my unicorn today. So let's get started. Okay, let's keep watching it. Okay, keep watching it. Describe to my veil. I have a song about it on my. If you go to pictures on my iPad house, you will see a song that says, "Describe to my veil about me." And you know the veil, zombies. Zombie. A good action zombie. That song. And you see how it smells. It's rub it. Smell my squishy kind of smell. It's one more. I whole finger. You could okay, they're making another video now, but this one doesn't smell very well, so I'm gonna put some more. Now it's mushy. Smush it. I know my mom. It kind of smells now. It's have to keep rubbing it. And near the final. Let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, remember the video that I made a farm too? They're still making another video, guys. This is my full video, guys. This is my full video. Full video, and they're ready for it. Bye, guys. Ready for my 5th video. Bye. Subscribe to my videos. Remember.